When in Thailand, do as the Thai do. It's a cricket. Alright. Feels heavy. Just like a sunflower seed. Oh, not gonna swallow this thing. Oh man.
Tastes like popcorn?
Yeah. Looks like a sunflower seed.
Let me see in there.
Oh. I haven't swallowed it yet. I'm about to barf.
Don't barf on me. Did you make it down? No.
It's ready to go. It's in position.
Now grasshopper.
Oh, come on now. This thing is huge, man. How big that is. Dude, there's no way.
You got it, Michael.
This part's not too bad looking right here.
What's that?
Whatever this is. What is that?
You do some moms. That's a tail.
Yeah, that's a baby grasshopper.
Oh, come on now. Let's try this part first.
Hey, you said you look like Tom Cruise.
Really? Thank you. Tom Cruise now or like Tom Cruise in the 90s?
I don't know.
Alright.
Nice. Just do it.
You like it.
I mean like a hamburger.
Just do it.
Alright.
Witt, you speak Isan? You understand?
Oh.
I'm fooling you.
What's that? I mean the carrot?
Really different. Oh, not. This is dice down. Well, some things.
The thorax, man. That's where it's at. Alright, wait.
No, what do you? Oh, you have to try that first.
Okay.
How about?
Alright. Grasshopper and a cricket.
And a silkworm.
Alright. Red ants.
Friday.
Let's see the red ants. They're in there
Oh,
somewhere.
here's a nice one right here. It's a red ant. This is payback time. When I was a little kid. Kind of spicy. What is that?
There's the mom, like
I think the queen.
The queen, yeah.
The queen, yeah.
The mom. Queen, yeah.
This is like really valuable.
Man, I think you should down the queen.
Alright.
Off with her head.
Oh, that's nasty, man.
Is it gross?
It's got like I guess it's something they put in there. Oh.
I think it's fine.
Last one. What do you have there?
I don't know what this is.
Silkworms.
Oh, man. Is this going to kill me?
Probably.
Looks like a bunch of stuff in this.
They're called guts.
Damn. Oh. Silkworm? What's inside of it? Alright.
Whole thing. Oh, there you go.
Oh, it's so wet. Oh, there's so much stuff on the inside. Oh, nasty.
How do you feel about eating insects in Thailand?
Pretty good. I'm ready to move on to the dog.